gonna feel good? Would you help an illegal activity go on? They said it was gonna be packed up. That doesn't look like packed up. Your property was gonna be packed up.
Your property is down.
That's my property right there. The tent is property. That lumber is property. That lumber could make more homes. And then she's not the one to talk to. He's not the one to talk to. That's the guy to talk to, but we can't go talk to him.
With whoever is responsible for this, because you guys were advised that your property would be down in the sea cans, and it has been moved down there. And
as you can see, everything's ripped to shreds. Use an excavator. And there's RCMP, making sure CGL is safe.
So when you catch somebody in the act of vandalizing somebody else's property, you don't stop them?
It sounds like there's some members that are coming down here to speak with you guys.
They said our stuff would be packed up, delivered to us, and now they're gonna say it's gonna be at an off-site location, and our shit's being fucking destroyed. And they said your property was delivered to you, and I said that's my property right there, being destroyed. And the RCMP says that's not our concern. We're here for public safety. We don't care about you or your stuff. We don't care about the land. That's what's going on, and how they like live with that, how that's their job, how this is safe, how this is going to destroy water. They don't care about public safety. They don't care about humanity. They don't care about life. They don't care about wildlife. They want to escort a company through to destroy life. That's their job. The RCMP said this wouldn't happen. Coastal GasLink said this wouldn't happen. And those were lies, and clearly lies, and they had no agreement to do this. It's not within the injunction. This is not a work zone. This is off the site. This is off of the path of the pipelines. And they're just illegally doing whatever they want. And the RCMP just like twiddle their thumbs.
I'm telling you, they're destroying private property. This belongs to the Gidumt'en Clan.
Okay, and I've been told this is part of the injunction, okay?
It's not. Okay, so are you going to stop Coastal GasLink from destroying private property?
I'm not going to stop work right now, no.
No? Okay,
okay.
You need to arrest the workers.
I don't have all the answers for you. If you have any questions,
you should have the answers else, okay? Because you are here allowing...
You guys are welcome to peacefully protest, okay?
I'm not done talking.
Okay.
There's lie after lie after lie that you aren't being held accountable for. And this has to stop. You've now destroyed over $10,000 worth of our private property. Look at it. We had plans for this. We planned on having a camp here that we've been waiting for the RCMP to vacate from here because we have cultural plans for all of this space and these buildings here. And now it's destroyed just because somebody told you that they think that there's a permit here, which is not true. Okay, this is getting very, very frustrating, and it's clear that the RCMP are only here to uphold CGL's work plan to destroy our territories.
I'm sorry you feel that way. That's
it's not what I feel, it's a fact.
You're entitled to your opinion. So what I need, or what I strongly suggest, is that maybe the phone call to your lawyer.
I just got off the phone with my lawyer before I came down here. My husband just went over there to get his moose hide that we plan to have a hide tanning workshop here for our community. Coastal GasLink security threatened that he could be arrested for going to get his moose hide. And thank God that you guys didn't destroy that as well. These are important to us. I don't know how you could stand there and even be proud of what you're doing, and never mind justify it. You're ruining our lives here. This is our day-to-day life.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. No.
We're not friends.
I never said we were friends. I appreciate your cooperation. Okay. All right. You have a good night. So, is there anything else that's concerning before I go?
Are you guys moving your camp now?
What's that?
Now that all of our things are destroyed, are you guys vacating our area? Is that what's happening now?
No, this will be banned tonight.
And who stole the bus?
The bus, I believe, was towed to town, is what I was told.
But who stole it? Was it the RCMP or was it CGL?
It was CGL.
Okay. So
just so we're perfectly clear, we are not doing any work. Like, we don't do anything. We're not here. We're just here to keep the peace, right?
And protect CGL workers and destroying Wet'suwet'en property. Are we permitted to go and retrieve our stolen items?
Absolutely. They're both there. It's all in 2 sea cans down at the pullout that you were advised at 2.5 kilometer. And the sea cans are open, and you have the weekend to go in there and retrieve anything you want, all of it if you want.
Are they being manned?
No, not as far as I know. I was told that they're
So
open.
anybody can go and steal our stolen items?
I'm only telling you what I was told and where they are. And you asked me where you could get them, and I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay? I was told that if it's not retrieved, then it will be going to the dump.
I'm going to step aside, okay? They are going to continue working.
Under whose orders? Coastal GasLinks?
I'm just informing you that I'm going to step aside.
And I'm informing you that this is illegal under your own law. It's illegal
and
to
it will be investigated.
Destroy private property and then steal it, and you're going to watch them do it.
I do not
That's ridiculous.
I do not want to see anybody arrested for breaching the injunction.
Well, we have a right. This is our private property, and it's not even in the injunction. Read the injunction.
They do have a permit for this area.
So please read it. No, you haven't seen a permit for this area.
No, you're absolutely right. I have not. I'm requesting that you do not interfere with CGL when they're doing their work.
Well, I'm requesting that you please stop them from destroying our private property.
Okay.
And they want to do this to our home. They want to do this to where we hunt, where we fish. Like, that's the reality. It's not, we don't come out here to play games like this is fun for us. This is sad and devastating, you know? And you say, well, I'm just going to encourage you to do this. I'm going to step away, like remove yourself from that. But this was our home. All of these people's homes. You know, sometimes we get fired up because we lived here. We do live here. We depend on these lands. They never left these lands. Gidumt'en always been here. They have no right to come through here. They have no right. You guys need to look into yourselves of what the own laws are, and they're breaking them. And you just stand by and you say, we're gonna help them. Whenever you stand, you're like, we're here for peace, but your backs are with them. You're more comfortable with them than with us. They're always afraid of us. And we just want to live here. We just want to depend on the water. We get the water from the river and drink it. I bet you haven't done that since you were a little kid, because there's no places left like that. This is the only one. That's why we fight so hard.
It's what we feed our kids.
My kids grow up here.
And this is what's going to happen to everything that we depend on, not just here. It's a disgrace.